Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Your boy, the Don, is back in the lab with another one. We're back with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You see me, we're back with the lab boss, even though it kind of disappointed in the war. You see me, and say the war never go on as long as we wanted, or as long as we expected. But we're here with the lab boss again with a new track. The one named Informer, in drop it like what a day or two ago. But we'll check it out and see what the lab boss I deal with. You see me, and say, yeah, man. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, gang. You don't know, hype up the video if you see the hype button, guys. Hit the like. The likes really help me out and help my channel grow. You see me? I say. But we there with Laba, so one of them Informer. We're gonna check it out and sway dog I deal with. You see me? We don't all provide much longer. Let's get it. Spanish don't like Informer. Beat sound very familiar. How go on? Alright. Not just flesh, it done say fi kill anybody we suspect. Me first step brawling, but said about shed. You love tell, so them find you with no shell. War red rub up and skin not gel. Poison bleachers, boy black as him fell. From hold on, this kind of getting I have a time to get used to. I'm not sure where you going with this. My dog get the proper intel. Very tiring, lunchtime and a bell. Old spec. Know about the tech, him only know the songs we make. Never come round me yet, I must man, they sell me out. Should I see when you hold the check me? What more pay adapter, my boy, your chest. Rock foot, dump them body in a sea and put them head in a open space. One people know same chatty, so we just design them out with tape. Mountain View no like Informer. Spanish Town no like Informer. What? What are you doing with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍? What are you doing with this one? This a throwaway? What's going on? Just go round like karma. Waterford no like Informer. See if you no like Informer. When we all boy upon the llama. People are ball family I get torture. No feel of chat if you hold your mouth. Put it out too juvenile bun down your house. Well surrounded. No, don't tell me say you try reignite the war with Informer and brother, cause what? Downloaded, can't escape, all it up, it come out. And my money love me, I make me spend it out. Yeah, my full of rifle and me have many rounds. Too much Glock they are so at 27 gun. Can't catch me a yard, me no live house. Hilltop still a roll, cool. Real life and a killer show. Them young in a badness, them still a grow. Instagram murderer with them bad with a post. Yo, them few ring a full of ghosts. Nah party no one see the devil work. A darkness everywhere me turn. You no feel love dark but you not learn. Mountain View no like Informer. Spanish Town no like Informer. Y'all last piranhas. Make the barrel just a go round like karma. Waterford no like Informer. See if you no like Informer. When we all boy upon the llama. People are bad family I get torture. You know the code, you know. Mountain View no like Informer. I don't know la boss. I don't know about one there, you know. I don't know where that try to go down there still. Yeah, look, I think that was a throwaway old track. Cause I'm not sure where the hell he was going with this one. Make it a later. Oh no. I'm trying to see if I don't know one from. Okay, from 2019. Yeah, okay, cause I was wondering what the hell is Labas thinking with that? This, I ain't gonna lie, this don't sound like Labas at his current level of state of mind and rapping. So I was wondering what the hell is this? But okay, all right, this was a older track. All right, understandable. But let me know what y'all think about this in this one. This was just a throwaway. It looked like he was just having fun with this one. Or probably there's something he was making and never finished and just decided to just really, I don't know. But I can't really reignite the war because I think he mentioned nothing. Not really. But anyways, shout out to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Look out for the live guys. I'll be going live daily. We'll be gaming and vibing. We'll be talking about music as well, so look out for that as well. Look out for my podcast. I'll be going daily and talking about different topics. You see what I say? What I'm about to say? What else? I was about to say? Yeah, that's it. Look out for the lives. We'll be going live. We're going to be going live later on, talking about topics and what's going on, dancehall, reacting to videos, all that. So stay tuned for that. What else? Yeah, bangers on the head top, around the clock, man. Me non-stop. You see me? No joke. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys.